Yes, okay.
The legal profession to adopt and leverage on the use of technology cannot be overemphasized during this period. To this end, my office has enhanced the use of technology in the prosecution of criminal cases. The office continues to hold virtual hearing of cases, thus ensuring continuity of services all through. The ODPP has registered over 2,288 cases between 19th March 2020 and 30th April 2020 countrywide, with COVID-19 related offences at 1,043. These offences include contravening curfew restrictions, failure to wear masks, failure to keep social distancing, among others.
This is an important decision we took in order to curb the spread, and you know that there are areas like prisons where we get our customers coming from, which are congested. And if you were to have just one infection going to prison, you can imagine the kind of disaster we will be handling. As a result, we have decided to use all means possible to ensure that essential services continue being provided to the people of Kenya. As we use technology in dispensation of justice, this has proved very, very invaluable channel, and the donation today goes a long way to assist us in dealing with that.